How to turn off notifications from Shein. Hello everyone. If you'd like to turn off notifications from Shein, you can basically follow up the steps. So you can basically head over to Shein application first to open it up on your screen. And then once you open it up, you can head over to contact preferences within your account settings. For that, look out for Me tab. Tap on it and open a Me tab and locate up the settings icon at the top of your screen. And once you are here, you can basically look out for notifications option, which is we have this option of contact preferences. Tap on it. And from here, look out for new message notification. Tap on it. And you may just go ahead and turn off this option. Tap on new message notification. And then you can basically turn off this option like this. And that should uh, block the notification from this app. Or you may also manually head over to each of the notifications. For example, if you would like to turn off the notifications of only order shipping, you can turn off that on notification for order reminder, customer service notifications, and that should turn off the notifications. And that is it. Otherwise, you can basically unsubscribe link at the bottom of any promotional or marketing email from Shein, and that should also turn it off. So this is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to turn off notifications for Shein. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.